I'm working on multimodal application. So here you can see that uh, my quadrant client has been successfully initialized, vector store has been initialized, and the text query engine has been established, and there are 55 documents that have been created out of this. Uh, in this data there are 3 documents, out of which 55 documents have been created. So let me let's wait for this running. So meanwhile I can establish that I have completely wrote the combined multimodality code using open source model only. So my retrieval model is also open source and my generation model is also open source. And uh, initially I was not getting the images that are relevant with respect to the query. So the query I was asking, that is what is gingivitis. So now I am able to retrieve the image corresponding to that query using purely open source models only. So and it is working the response is correct according to the query that I made. So currently it is indexing all the documents, and then it would extract the images. And moreover, one of the special features about this is it is able to perfectly deal with the structured PDFs as well as the unstructured PDFs. So my one of the PDF is very unstructured, so it is still able to extract the text content and extract. So I wrote the code in such a manner that it is able to extract the content from the unstructured PDF as well as. So it would take some time, just wait for it, and it would be able to extract all the images that are there from the text. And you would be able to see I have plotted all the images that are there in these 3 PDFs which are related with the medical domain. So as you can see, it is using the clip model to extract the images which are in the form of table transformer object, which is in the form of table data structure, something like this. So currently it is processing this second PDF. So now metadata, as you can see, all the images have been extracted from the PDFs. So these are the images. Now if I would close this, I should be able to get the answer for my query. So my query is, what is gingivitis? So I should be able to get the answer for this query also, you can see. And after I close this, so I should be able to get the relevant text also, but I am facing issue with that. I'm not getting the relevant text that is regarding with that gingivitis, that I should have to work on to see. So I try to debug it a lot, because I'm getting the embeddings for both the text and the images in my vector database, but still I'm not able to get the relevant text. So I'm working on this part, by by putting debugging statements at each and every point. So I came to the conclusion that indexing is not being done properly. Embeddings have been generating properly but for the text data, but indexing is not being done properly. So that is the next challenge that I have encountered the issue, and that I have to work on further on to make this to complete this application. Thank you.